Sabotage, Latinam Latin. Walk. This girl a too original. Show bad, Rasta man no say only but tune boy. Buena culaba, we want for night, yeah. Nimrade, Nimrade, Nimrade.
Wadendi bisati kwagala mu mutima ne musayi nyumisizo obulamu nandi kala numelulira kakije wandi balazimela umubili guguno gugo omutima gukuwa njagala gutwale baby.
Ayo, it's your boy Drake on the burnest, coolest, illest and the dopest muchiga around town. It is over. Nyine Wave Walker, Mushawa Yero.
Yeah, no, sir.
Yeah, this is Wave Walker. We have seen Wave Walker on many TVs, like in Uganda. So it is an inamuvuze. Na mushango wao. Today I want to ask you many questions, my bro. This is the hustle, eh?
No,
So, bro, hati first of all takatanche na manye, what's your real name, eh? Mazina gawe genza gwage chichiga.
Okay, amazina gange chiga, baranyeta bamuvija junior. Yeah.
Bamuvija junior, eh?
Yeah.
So bamuvija junior ninabumanya yewe umuzicho kagutani ko career because turakureba chitera chitire. Yeah, the makunia we have the likes of Fat Zamani,
Okay.
but bro, but we are proud of you as a boy from Kigezi Kandi. Even though you're singing in a different language, but for us we are always proud of our own. Eh? So we've walked and oshobora uri kureba abakiga TV. Orebe mu kamera umugambire iwe ukatandika who inspired you?
Yeah, no, sir. It's Wave Walker here. So, your music kajitanka njo P6. So, but nkani mpandika music yo kuzana zana mwe. So, on campus, kuna cha campus in 2017. Still, nkani mpandisha my young bro, disc events. Yeah, nkani mpandisha vyesho wiche na wiche. So, in 2018, na nikeche shongo cha nchoko wanza kanu wacheta kankanya. Imamu shonkani mchima ujo mwere kureba wachiga TV. Then nakula so to the beat. Then nakula so ndimurade to the beat. Then party time. Then ndimurade featuring Latinam Latin. Yeah, that's my latest project. Ngabo manyi haso man.
So Wave Walker, ugomamura ni Wave Walker ebyeshongoro inevinga so far.
So far inebyeshongoro
Bitano. In the videos ininga some just audios.
We chesho chona chine video.
Ulichesha kuchona chine video.
Yeah.
So ugeni Wave Walker muramureba ari kucheza real music abana ba Kigezi one day you're representing us well in Kampala and the other parts.
Yeah.
So Wave Walker nenda kumuza namanya studio turatecheza shana maybe to go akabale because me personally kanda mashana ujire kutaya.
Okay.
So gambira bari kureba abakiga TV ubagambira ahora ruga ahora zagwa icyaro cyawe kujangu omuntu asakushangolene ibaho umuntu atarachimanya kandi these are the people who will help you to make your music go viral and listen to it kokora bimana.
Okay. Amanya ni wawita Wavija Junior. So nikazaiwa ntungamo konka mkujo muri kabare nkashomera hari Kigezi High School
Primary or
secondary for 2 terms. Then za kushomambara High School then high school. So ninzagwa ntungamo okamkujo muri kabare so main njo munya kabare njo munya Kigezi because knowing Korea all my friends are from here. Everyone is from here, so mainly I'm representing like Kigezi via music and everything. So Nitura on here on Crane Bank on Good Time Supermarket. Yeah, so we Good Time Supermarket. So if you happen to pass by town, you can come on Good Time Supermarket. You support us. Then you also find me in and you can interact with me.
Okay, that's Wave Walker. Echindi Wave Walker, how have you found the music industry? Uchanjiro tayo na marime bizuri beef what simanya oguyakora chi so the music industry wachanjiro tayo nka Wave Walker.
Hato koko the music industry. First of all, music industry so far so good, but small challenges like money. You find it needs a lot of money to keep up the good work. So that's one of the challenge. Then the other challenge is promoting music. First of all, the first music I was doing, I do music and put on platforms, YouTube, everywhere. But I was not pushing music. I thought music is just working and putting there. So I realized later that I have to push work, I have to push and I have to keep producing. So that is another challenge. So the rest are small things where we can fight around and to be
So we vocal, like among your songs, we try to uli rest in Misanichi. Chola jangu really chichikanya yo ba manya like sort of shanganinga bini kacha India magaragawe. Like which song you really feel like change your life in the music industry?
So far, all my songs have been good. I like all my music, all my songs. Na ngabo manye, no limbo rupia, no making collabs and featuring other artists. Kutu kueche shongoro, ati napa ni kueche shongoro. Nyumbani nyibali fan base yawe, unofuna fan base yanyu. So so far Ndimurade is doing well and I'm getting more of the people's ears.
So yeah. Ndimurade was a hit and I also listen to that song every day. Actually, it has been a hit to me. So we vocal.
Yeah.
Like ngora mandavuza munonga so nyine kushamusa
Alright.
Una kubine tika kuleka. So we vocal. Then amanye iwe. Apart from music, urakora chi? Orega urakora uyechi. Where you get your money from to invest in new music, or you have a manager?
Apart from music, I'm a student. I'm doing clinical medicine on Clark International University, Neshangwa Kampala. Then manage to invest in music, and in a manager. I have my manager. It's called Eddie King. Eddie King is not the only part of the management. There's Eddie King, there's Mexes, there's Asha, there's Balam. That Bam guy, yeah, senior take a message. Yeah, so the management take a message. Main chowola banga shooting out video work having music production yo checho. So the management take a.
So why did you choose to sing in English? Like rather English and because you transfer to Uganda.
Yeah.
Why did you choose that?
So far, the first people, okay. I was mainly doing music from Kampala, like studio. That was going to be a music vibe. So when we took a producer, we sang a Twitch, we moved into Uganda. So singa natandike no kola music, chitegeza singa kati nyimba ruchiga. Naye kati ndinayo project empya ze tutademu ruchiga rutono. Niteka mu Uganda rutono, niteka mu Katwa rutono, niteka mu buli kimu kwango manyi kati dancehall music. It's not a Ugandan thing. It was big for but Kumbola music will not take a more. If you're doing dancehall, not take a more Jamaica rutono.
So that is where vocal for you. We vocal no mnya kabare akulire kabare wadeno wandunga mo so takaye buza bench kabare twine talents zamani kabare abana bareshongora people have been groomed kandi nko kureba namanya kabare we are grown in such a way that we are strong whatever situation we are surviving what the overstand zero what is zero. That's why most of the times we succeed. So we vocal inda orebe mu camera
Okay.
Uyebaza abantu barakureba abakige TV obasibule obagambire ekyolenda kubagambira obahe advice omuntu enda kuba wevoka akolechi.
Alright. So video moyo munaleba bakiga TV. Thank you for watching. First of all, keep tuned. We are always here for you. So nchaba leta music ndunji munonga, but first of all, thank you for your support. Then mugumize mukole mu supporting. Go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel Wave Walker Town. Wave is WEVU, then Walker, W Walker. Then go to Facebook, like my page. Go to Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Then if you want to be Wave Walker, first of all you have to be passionate about what you're doing. But it's not good to be me. Be you, then you can do what is the same to me, the same to what I'm doing. So don't forget to wash your hands because we are in the COVID-19 era. You know, kuna bengalo. Sanitize, then keeping it fresh and clean. So thank you for watching. It's your boy Walker and Drake.
Yes, we are always vocal for you, and I remain Drake the Brownest Mochiga. Subscribe my YouTube channel to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and any other social media platform. We are there. Webale kutureba, wevoka, turi nimwe, kabongo.